Hello, third graders, and today I'm going to show you how to locate bodies of water on a map. Um, so, right now we are looking at a Google Maps of West Hartford, Connecticut, and as you can see, there are many different colors on the map. So, on any map, water is always represented in blue. So you can see there is quite a bit of blue on this map. So I have some blue here, here, here. There's some skinny blue lines, even some skinny blue lines here. So it would be nice to realize, well, what are those blue objects? We know that they're bodies of water, but what are the names of those bodies of water? So sometimes you can see it right away, like right here, I know that this is the Farmington River because it is labeled, but sometimes they're not always labeled. So all you have to do is zoom in. So if I zoom in closer, you can see that these are the Hartford reservoirs. So that helps. So sometimes you can see they are labeled. So these are all Hartford reservoirs. This skinny line is Trout Brook. Then if you look even closer, here's Woodridge Lake. And this is Wood Pond Lake. So if you zoom in close, you can find if they are lakes, ponds, rivers. I wonder if we scroll big enough so you can see over here. If I zoom out and then zoom in closer, this will tell me that this is the Connecticut River. We can even go further out. This is a ton of blue, which is Block Island Sound. This is Long Island Sound, the Hudson River right in New York. And I think even if you go further out, way further out, it says this is the Atlantic Ocean. So just to recap, you can identify bodies of water on a map if they are located, if they are colored in blue, you can automatically tell that that is water. And when you zoom in even closer, you can see exactly what body of water that is. So if I look over here, this is Bertus Bay. So I hope that helps you figure out how to identify bodies of water on a map.